All right, there we go. It's definitely a flute.
Audience, when we let go of hands, clap and cheer for Andrew. Here we go. Simple push, not like this. We're not Liverpool.
Oh, there you go.
It's a push, it's my hand. Steve, this is my hand. This is not my hand, okay? This is definitely not my hand. On the count of 3, he throws, I catch, you guys explode, yeah? Don't let the balloon distract you. Everyone together. 1, 2, 3. Wait, he was distracted by the kids. With safety, I like that, but in this show, let's just do it. I've got insurance, it will cover the killing of children. I get the best stuff. Everyone together! Not together, you bastard! 3, 2, 1, everyone together! 3, 2, 1. Back here. Final stunt, we are ready. Everyone together, give me some rhythm. First, with the eyes open. 3, 2, 1. Louder! Faster! Come on! Okay, stop. Blindfolding doesn't last this long.
Are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2. Well, I am not going to do that, you psychopaths! I'm not going to whip a small child. Just drop it, okay? Emmett, your job, when I say up, I would like you to raise the magic hand high over your head and move your whole arm side to side like this. No, just the arm. And every... That means this is what I do for my living. There are 2 other people on a picture of me without whom I could not have done the show. I could have done it, it would have been more impressive. That's Liam, and it's going to say Scott. Take him out, guys. Take him out. Easy Pringle, that's me. Escaping from my happening from death. The instant pleasure. Liam and Scott in 10, 9,